Snoring keeping you awake? Stop it tonight. Try these simple fixes. First, sleep on your side instead of your back. This keeps airways open. Elevate your head with an extra pillow to reduce congestion. Avoid alcohol and heavy meals 3 hours before bed. Try nasal strips or rinse with salt water before sleeping. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Do throat exercises. Say aloudly 20 times daily to strengthen muscles. These methods reduce or eliminate snoring naturally.